Hi, my name is Carrie Sacco, and I'm from Inspiring Nutritional Choices. Today, I'm inviting you into my kitchen to make piled crackers. They are absolutely delicious and nutritious and one of my most favorite snacks. Here are some that are already made. There are 4 different kinds, and we'll be making each and every one today. And I'm sure that after we're done, you're going to come up with some amazing recipes yourself. And I'm hoping that you'll share them with me. Before we begin to work with food though, we'll take a moment to wash our hands. And if you have long hair like mine, you may want to tie it back. Hi, we're back. Now before we begin, I'm going to show you some of the tools that we'll need and explain a few things to you. We will need a grater to grate carrots, which I've already done. Here are the grated carrots. And we need butter knives, one for hummus and one for peanut butter. Peanut butter, I like to use low sodium, all natural peanut butter. And the hummus that we have here is red pepper hummus, but you can use any kind of hummus that you enjoy. There's garlic, there's lemon, all sorts of things. And then we'll need a sharp knife, and the sharp knife is to cut the cheese. I like to use low fat, low salt mozzarella. And you'll need the knife to cut avocado and tomato and cucumber and apple. Now, avocados. Here is a whole avocado. Most people either love avocados or they don't like them at all. A lot of times people don't like the texture, but I love it myself. Avocados are fruits, and when you cut them open, they look like this. This is the seed inside. Now, if you keep that seed inside of the avocado after you've cut it, and store it in the refrigerator like this, it won't turn as brown as it will if you take the seed out. This is the skin of the avocado that you peel off of the fruit itself. So we don't eat the skin. And when you buy the avocado, you want to just press it a little bit to see if it's a little soft, just gently. You don't want it to be too soft. If it's too soft, if it's mushy, it means that it's not good inside. But when it's just a little soft, that's when it's perfect to eat. If it's hard, if you buy it hard, don't worry about that. That's fine. Then you can just set it on your counter for a few days until it softens just a little bit. I'm going to show you how to make the piled crackers. We'll take a cracker. We put a little bit of hummus on it. This was the hummus, the red pepper hummus. And then a little bit of avocado. And some carrots. And the plate. I forgot to mention the plate that we need. So you place the cracker on the plate, and then we'll go on to make one without the avocado for those of you who don't really care for them. So again, we put a little bit of hummus on the cracker, and then a cucumber, and a few carrots. And the carrots, I'll stay on the cucumber because it's flat. Then we're going to make an Italian style. And again, a little bit of hummus. Now here, you really may want to try lemon or garlic, so for a different flavor. A little bit of cheese. And basil. Fresh basil is so delicious. You want to rinse it before you use it. And then a half of a tomato. These are the grape tomatoes, but you can also use cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes that you've cut into chunks. And then the last one is a little bit different. This one, for this cracker, we're going to use peanut butter. And we spread the peanut butter, the cracker with peanut butter. And then we plop a piece of apple on top. And that's it. Voila! They are all done. Enjoy. When you have a chance, email me your recipes, inspiringnutritionalchoices@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye.